In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section over here. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on any feature that you wish to manage, like calendar. Following that, tap on one of your apps. I will go with Facebook and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I tap and go back, Facebook just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can always select any feature, then look for an app that you wish to manage and click on it. And instead of selecting any of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!